Welcome to Bench Time Builds. This is Walt, and today I want to show you what's on my bench. So, this week's project is a MPC deserter. It's being modified for a lower stance, but in the process of doing this, I wanted a bench seat. It comes with bucket seats. And I've always liked the appearance of a bench seat in a square body, and I searched all over the internet. eBay, Etsy, Google, Amazon. You cannot find a 3D printed or another tub with a bench seat. Now, my first option was, or rather a bench seat for this tub. My first option was I turned to the 1977 street pickup from Revell. And I was in the process of scratch building this one, cutting out this bench, cleaning it up, and then I was going to place it in this tub. But doing some research, I got the idea of this. The 1978 Ford Firestone by AMT has a bench seat that is separate from the tub, which is this bench seat. Now, with a little bit of modification for the transmission hump that's in the center of the tub, and a little bit of modification on the bottom line of the seat so that it fits a little bit nicer, you can wind up with something like this. Bear with me. So now I have a square body pickup with a bench seat. So if you're trying to upgrade your tub, this can be an option with very little modification. What I did was I actually placed this seat along the bottom here, lining it up as best as possible, scribing a line, then making a template, transferring it over to the other side, and with the use of a razor saw, some files, and a very little amount with the Dremel, I was able to make that profile. And now I have this, as I explained. So if you find yourself in need to modify your interior tub and you want to go from buckets, I think this may fit on a 72, 70 body. It may fit. I haven't tried it, but I know it works well with the deserter tub interior. Upgrading the the bucket seats to a bench seat using the AMT 1978 Firestone Ford kit. So this is what we got going on. If you enjoyed the post, if it helped you out in any way, like, share, subscribe, give me your comments. Have a great day.